Working a set of 346 Mopar heads. These are early 70s HP heads. And I was doing just some cleanup on the ports, and I've got a couple of them done. Of course, I'm not doing much to them. I'm just cleaning them up. You can see over here the one that I haven't touched. There's not a lot of difference. It's just a little rougher. But what I noticed was I could take my shock vac and I couldn't get it in that one. And when I come over and I'm cleaning this one out, it goes right in. And that's just with a little bit of cleanup at the bottom of that. That's how bad they are. It goes in easy. Again, back to the one that hasn't been touched. It will not go in at all. And you can see the guide I haven't touched. It hasn't been touched at all. Let me get a better light here. Yeah, you can see I haven't touched the guide at all. So all that is just cleanup at the bottom of that throat. Just unreal. See how sharp that one is? And I'm not doing a lot to these heads. I'm just cleaning them up. I'm not a pro. Just cleaning them up a little bit, and just noticed that. I thought it was awesome.